Aerospatiale, covering every branch of aeronautical and space activities, is the only company in the world boasting such a wide diversity of products. On the occasion this year of the 20th anniversary of its cooperation with a West German MBB firm, Aerospatiale is putting the emphasis on its agreements with companies throughout the world and its sales in 106 countries. Its stand, a brilliant array of competitive products on a worldwide scale, once more attests to its international calling.
La gamme complète des activités aéronautiques et spatiales, Aerospatiale, sur le plan international, a développé cette
From the scale model interior exhibits, one has but to cross the threshold to come face to face with reality, life-size, on a human scale.
20 francs le catalogue et le programme, 20 francs le bob et le programme, 20 francs le catalogue et le programme, 20 francs le bob et le programme, 20 francs le bob.
In the reserved enclosure of the static exhibition, foreign delegations from all over the world, both potential and habitual buyers, can finally get a close-up view, touch and examine the écureuils, the epsilons, the super pumas, or the exocets. Helicopters of all sizes, for every use, tactical missiles, for all of the armed services, with their recoverable targets, but also spread out satellites, such as they will appear in space. Yes, a striking showcase of all the more recent innovations in the world of aeronautics and space. But the Le Bourget Air Show is also a mammoth popular celebration with flight demonstrations, this year starring the ULMs, and for the first time, the American Space Shuttle. The Airbus A310 opens the flight exhibition program, followed by the complete range of Aerospatiale-produced light planes and helicopters, spread out to demonstrate their flight characteristics. Then, after refueling of a tronçal in flight by another tronçal, a veritable commando operation takes place in front of the grandstands, using exclusively Aerospatiale-produced equipment. While the tronçal comes in for a short landing, 4 Gazelle helicopters armed with hot missiles protect the runway. Still under the protection of the Gazelles, 5 Pumas land, while a Super Puma stands guard. The men carrying automatic weapons and Milan-type missiles board 3 of the Pumas. The vehicles, also armed with hot missiles, are slung by the 2 remaining Pumas. And the high spot of the demonstration that Aerospatiale alone could stage, a 3-helicopter airborne pyramid comprising a Super Puma lifting a Dauphin, itself carrying an Écureuil. Then a crisscrossing ballet of civil and military helicopters. Last helicopter ballet, a last view, the last moments of the salon. In a few moments, the gates of the Paris Air Show will close for another 2 years on a future bright with hope.